Hello YouTube and all you guys into engineering. It's Noah again. Now I'm going to be explaining the diesel cycle. As you can see, it's got 4 basic strokes just like the auto cycle with the gasoline engines. And the first stroke is the intake stroke where the piston travels down and the intake valve opens. On the diesel engine, it only draws in air on the intake stroke, and then it comes up, compresses that air. Now on the diesel engine, the air, as it gets compressed, its temperature increases very much. Let's see, in chemistry I learned that the Gay-Lussac's law explains how that temperature is directly, that has a direct relationship to pressure. So as it increases as the pressure increases, the temperature is going to increase right with it. So as that air has been compressed and its temperature is increased, then the fuel right here, instead of a spark plug on a diesel engine, you have your fuel injector that injects the mist of fuel into that hot compressed air. And then you have the explosion, which drives the piston down. That's your power stroke. And then as it comes back up, the exhaust valve opens and it forces out the combusted gases. Yep. Yeah, all big trucks and heavy machines that have the diesel the engines that they're the 4-stroke that diesel engines that work off that cycle. And as you engineers may know, that the diesel engines that they have significant higher efficiency than gasoline engines, and make so much more torque.